When he has done bad to Esau, his brother, he says that he left. The time he was on the way, when tiredness got to him, he left a place to sleep. The Bible says, he did not see where he can lay his head. The Bible says he took the stone and slept on top of it. It says the other man, who was called Abraham, after he has done what was needed by God, he laid on the chest of God. Check the job that you are doing. You can sleep on the stone, or you can sleep on the chest. When Jacob, after he has done his way, laid him to sleep on the stone. There are people that are going to make a house of stone. When you are appealing the stone, you don't look at the house. When you appeal your heart, your peace. There's something that you're going to turn into a pillow. There's something that is going to be your pillow that's out. There is something that is going to be the pillow that's out. Some of you will wake up to abuse. Some of you will wake up to life. Be careful what you are doing. What is able by your hand, you must do it. Do it with all your mind. Because the other side where you are going, grave is waiting. Things are being fixed before we go to the grave. Prepare your way before we go to the grave. Prepare your way before we go to the grave. Do what is right before you go to the grave. Forgive them before you go to the grave. Free them before you go to the grave. What God is wanting before you go to the grave. Do it with all your mind. Do not allow yourself to be disturbed by people for serving God. Situation should not disturb you for serving God. There's something that God has placed in your heart that you must serve Him with. Do not look left or right, but seek forward. Look forward to what God is saying you must do. You are going to die. The problem of death, the Bible says, the God says, I have paid the servants by the angels. They are waiting on the judgment chair. They are answering you to their words. Know your work. Know your work. You must do it. And do it with all your might. Ask God to raise Himself through you. You are not listening to this. Ask God to raise Himself through you. Friday after the prophet has preached, Something did not give him the movement. There's this other lady that cried the time the prophet preached. When the prophet came back from the place, this lady said, I did not want anything from coming from church, but my spirit is healed, that I'm standing with my feet. I had God speaking to me through you. Reveal godliness in this world. Everything that you are doing, the time you're holding the mic and worshiping, God will reveal through my worship. The time you are giving, God will reveal through my giving. The time you are praying, God will reveal through my prayers. Give him the glory. Give him the glory that is revealed. Right with the mind. Death is going to come from us. Just wait. Whatever your head reaches, do it with all your mind.